Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome to the channel. As you know, you can look in the description and find low-cost investments starting at $5, $10, $50, $100 a month and increase your net worth by investing in gold and or real estate or both. Now, you can do this systematically and automatically by linking your debit card, credit card, or bank account to one or either of these platforms. This is a great way to offset the time we are spending waiting for the Iraqi dinar and other exotic currencies to revalue, float, go digital, or do whatever it is that they're going to do. Now, okay guys, this is what is going on. The new Iraqi prime minister and the new president of Iraq is having a string of new meetings. What they say in these meetings are important to us because it helps us to gauge the true progress of Iraq's economic stability. Now, in a meeting with the delegation of the European Union mission to Iraq, the president of Iraq stated that Iraq has a plan to open up to the world. He mentioned that first, Iraq has immediate concerns that they are dealing with. And here we learn Iraq seals border with Turkey and Iran. Baghdad sent reinforcement and equipment to the border to stop Turkey and Iran from bombing the northern Kurdistan region because of militants living and operating in the mountain areas. Now, the other thing the channel is doing is keeping an eye on the CBI and their string of meetings. The government or the governor of the CBI met with the International Monetary Fund Minister, IMF, of Finance. Now, meetings of this nature are important because we know that the IMF needs to sign off on financial recommendations for Iraq, meaning the IMF would need to approve or disapprove major financial issues pertaining to Iraq and the global financial platforms. The Minister of Finance and representatives of the Ministries of Planning, Electricity, Labor, Water Resources, and Environment were all included in this meeting.